Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to check laptop temperature on ASUS VIVOBOOK PRO. So, open the browser and type in Core Temp and click Enter. Now find the Core Temp and open the link. The site asks for consent to use your data, so consent, then click download, close the ad, and the Core Temp is downloading. You can close this tab right now and open the File Explorer, go into downloads. It's probably when you have your application stored, but if you don't, then you need to find it on your own. Open it, click yes, next. You need to accept the agreement to go next. Then here you can select where your app would be stored. I'll just go with the default program files. Additional icon recommendations, I prefer you just disable these two options. The languages, install additional language pack, you can do that or you can not. Additional shortcut, create a desktop shortcut, it's better to keep it enabled. And remote monitoring, install the Core Temp remote server plugin to allow monitoring Core Temp status from Core Temp Monitor. If you want to, you can enable it, but I'll keep it disabled. Click next and install. Now next and finish. Here we have open the notebook, but you need to close it. And here you have the Core Temp, and as you can see, Core 0, and here you have the temperature, Core 1, Core 2 and Core 3. You have temperatures of all 4 cores. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.